In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a website on Wix Studio. To get started, head over to your Wix dashboard. This is where you will see your workspace and the websites connected to your account. Once you are there, find the project you want to update. Hover over that project and click Edit Site to open the Wix Studio editor. Give it a few seconds to load completely so everything appears properly before you begin making changes. Once the editor is open, you can start updating your website content directly on the canvas. If you want to change text, simply double-click on any text box and type in your new wording. The same idea applies to images and buttons. Double-click the element you want to update. Then make the necessary changes. This makes it easy to refresh headlines, replace visuals, or adjust call to action buttons without needing to rebuild anything from scratch. As you work, take a moment to check that your content still feels clear, consistent, and aligned with the rest of the page. If you need to adjust the structure or spacing of your design, use the layout tools available in the side panels. Wix Studio gives you docking, sizing, and grid controls to help fine-tune how your elements are positioned. These tools are especially helpful for responsive design, because they allow you to keep your layout looking balanced and professional across different screen sizes. Small alignment changes can make a big difference in how polished your site feels. So it's worth taking your time here. After editing your content and layout, make sure to review how the site appears on different devices. Since Wix Studio is responsive, you can click the device icons at the top of the screen to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. This step is important because something that looks great on a large screen may need slight adjustments on a smaller one. Check that text is readable, images are positioned correctly, and buttons are easy to tap. When you are happy with your updates, click Save in the top right corner. This saves your progress as a draft, which is useful if you want to pause and come back later, before making anything live. Once you are completely ready for visitors to see the changes, click the blue Publish button in the top right corner. That will push your updates live to your website. And that's it. Thanks for watching.